Welcome back here too. I hope you're all well. We're going to work on our science today, and we're going to finish up with our last lesson about the 4 seasons. We're going to look at some fun facts and revise some of the things that we've covered before. Each season brings its own different harvests and different fruits and vegetables. So let's take a look at what the summer brings. We have apricots, blue, black and raspberries, strawberries, many more things. Take a look at the picture and see. And in autumn, we see a different harvest with the very famous pumpkins and many more things. And over winter, we see new fruits and vegetables such as potatoes. Spring brings out many more new fruits and vegetables ready for the season. So let's recap on the trees and why they change throughout the seasons. The leaves fall off the trees so the trees can survive the winter. During that process, the trees lose a lot of water, so much water that when winter starts, the trees are no longer able to get enough water to replace it. During the spring and the summer, when there's plenty of sunlight, plants make a lot of chlorophyll. As chlorophyll goes away, other pigments start to show their colours. This is why the leaves turn yellow and red in autumn. Autumn plants break down and reabsorb chlorophyll, letting the colours of other pigments show through. Now let's have a look at some fun facts from around the world. We'll start with Antarctica. Antarctica only has 2 seasons, summer and winter. Because it's located in the southern hemisphere, Antarctica's summer is from October and February. During this time, the sun is almost always in the sky. Days rapidly get longer in summer until eventually the sun doesn't set at all. Now let's take a look at the ocean and the seasons. Seasons change in the ocean much as they do on land. Spring brings new plants and baby animals. Summer oceans glow with sparkly plankton lights. And autumn winds blow across the open water. In winter, the humpback whales migrate to warmer waters, just as some land animals move to warmer climates, which we looked at before. The cycle begins again as they return to their northern waters in spring. Areas near the equator don't experience much seasonal change. It's warmer and sunny all year round. Can we see the equator? It's the line around the middle of the Earth. We can also see the North Pole and the South Pole. And in December, it's winter at the north, while it's summer in the south, because of the Earth's tilt. Let's take a look at this worksheet about spring. Spring is one of the 4 seasons. It comes after winter and before summer. The first day of spring is in March. Days begin to get longer and nights begin to get shorter. The weather starts to get warmer. Rain showers come which help new plants to grow. Many baby animals are born in spring. Easter is one of the holidays that falls in the spring season. Look outside in spring, what do you see? Now I've used this worksheet because we're in spring. So let's take a look at the first question. What seasons come before and after spring? Take a look at the text if you can't remember. Winter comes before and summer after. Next question. What happens to the days and nights in spring? That's correct. The days get longer and the nights get shorter. What's the weather like in spring? It gets warmer, but it does rain. Now, the last question. What holiday occurs in spring? Easter, that's right. Well done, year two. Okay, let's take a look at this sheet. The answers are going to be autumn, spring, summer, or winter. So question 1, the days get longer. What season? Spring and summer. It is cold in winter. We plant seeds in spring. The nights are very long. Winter. Some birds fly south in winter. Some animals hibernate. Winter. The leaves fall off the trees. Autumn. Many trees have no leaves. Winter. It's hot outside. Summer. It rains a lot. Winter and spring. Some places get snow. In winter, it is harvest time. Autumn. Hope you got them all right and remembered them from our previous lessons. Now this brings us to the end of our lessons about the seasons. I hope you've learnt a lot of new interesting facts and enjoyed the lessons. Next week we will look at another topic. Enjoy your weekend and keep up the amazing work, year two. Take care and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.